Hello all, welcome to TECHNO. In the section of working with Python, our today's question is, write a Python program to calculate the length of a string, where string is TECHNO using the static approach. So for coding that, we'll first create a function. And take then initialize variable count equals to 0. I will take a loop for character str1. Now we'll ask for okay. Then string is the length of the string is 12. You can see the output over here in the console window. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such content from TECHNO. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.